Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can log in to WordPress from cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this Quora article simply because I do not have WordPress or the premium version of WordPress, which I'm pretty sure you need to connect it to cPanel, and I don't have cPanel either because I don't have a hosting domain. So I'll just be using this to explain everything to you guys. Hope you don't mind, but it should be quite easy to follow. Now, I am using this bot answer because it is pretty good. It's very concise and very well thought out and written. So I'll just do this. And what you need to do is first go and log in to cPanel. Or just go into the login page and enter your credentials, then locate the file manager and go that is located under the file section and click on it to open it. Then you need to navigate to your WordPress installation in the file manager. You just need to go to the directory where you installed WordPress, and this is usually public_HTML or subfolder if you install it in a specific directory. Then inside that folder, locate the wp-admin directory, and this is where the admin files are stored. And then you just need to access the admin login page by entering the URL into your browser, which is http your domain/wordpress-admin, and replace, of course, your domain with your actual domain name, and enter your WordPress admin username and password to log in. And that is basically all you need to do. It is as easy as that, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.